The untold alleys of Shinjuku Station, neon chaos, fast motion crowds. Then, a soft transition into dim lanterns glowing along a quiet alley. Everyone knows Shinjuku for its bright lights, the skyline that never sleeps, but only a few wander far enough to find what's hidden behind them. Narrow alleys where time seems to slow. Where Tokyo hides its stories. Vintage bar signs, laughter drifting from doorways, neon reflected on rain-soaked pavement. In Golden Gai, 6 narrow lanes hold more than 200 tiny bars, each one no bigger than a single room. Writers, artists, and night wanderers have gathered here for generations, sharing stories over quiet glasses of sake. Old Tokyo still lives here. Omoide Yokocho, also called Memory Lane, lantern-lit alleys. Smoke rising from grills, chefs calling out orders, sizzling food sounds. A few steps away lies Omoide Yokocho, Memory Lane. The air is rich with the scent of charcoal and soy. Tiny kitchens spill their warmth onto the street, serving yakitori skewers, crispy karaage, slow-simmered oden, and steaming bowls of noodles. Locals sit shoulder to shoulder, laughing, talking, and eating under the same lights that have glowed here since the post-war years. This is where every meal tells a story. Chopsticks clinking, hands pouring sake, steam drifting into the night air. These alleys aren't about fine dining. They're about connection, food made with memory, shared between strangers who feel like old friends. Listen closely. The past is still cooking. The alley at night, glowing softly as footsteps fade into the distance. Shinjuku's real magic isn't in its skyline. It's here, in the laughter, the flavors, and the stories whispered between lanterns. Walk these streets, and you'll taste a Tokyo that never left. Shinjuku's real magic isn't in its skyline. It's here, in the laughter, the flavors, and the stories whispered between lanterns. Thank you for exploring another quiet corner of Tokyo with me. Don't forget to share this with a friend who loves to travel, or dreams of coming here one day.